I'm meteorologist Dave Warren here in for Craig tonight, and for the most part, the strongest storm there just south of Miami over Key Biscayne is off the coast, getting a little low right now, but not completely done. We're watching this activity here to the south. Isolated storms just west of Homestead. Big thunderstorm here, continuing to move northeast, and that'll push into areas that did not see that rain earlier, so it's still pretty warm. That thunderstorm continues to move northeast. They have had a history of being severe. One severe thunderstorm warning in effect, gusts 40 to 50 miles an hour. So we're not quite done yet. Two more isolated storms, mainly south of 41 and the upper Keys here. All of this activity moving off to the east. No severe thunderstorm warnings, but marine warnings in effect there from Marathon up through Duck Key, Islamorado, and into Key Largo. This is where the strong storm was earlier. It is off the coast right now. You can see very heavy rain, strong gusty wind. It's pretty much south of Broward County, though, and not much activities to the north. So just a light shower to the north, but still this activity here will continue to move through Kendall, Pinecrest. Areas that just had that strong thunderstorm could be in for another round of just a passing thunderstorm. This is our Doral camera looking down south into that strong storm, which is continuing to move off to the northeast. Had some rain here earlier, raindrops on the lens, cooled the temperatures down. 76, that rain cooled air in Miami. That'll rebound a bit, though. They'll climb back into the lower 80s. Fort Lauderdale's at 81. No showers in Key West, still at 92 degrees. Temperatures across the region, low 80s, mid 70s where all that rain was. Should stay right about there. Overnight lows into the upper 70s there, so we'll climb a few more degrees before that sun goes down. Big cluster of storms. This was outflow from that. It triggered these strong storms earlier, but for the most part, this activity is just off the coast right now. Look at the computer forecast. It picks all of this up. We'll see if there's any more activity tonight. This goes each hour here, and for the most part, it's pretty quiet after 8 o'clock. A few showers may continue to develop after midnight tonight. Another round tomorrow morning, just a few passing showers. Then more storms develop as things heat up. 11 o'clock, there they go, and by 2, 3 o'clock, they're pushing across the East Coast metro areas with that southwest wind, which continues. No tropical development is expected here over the next 5 days. Things are pretty quiet. How about our forecast tonight? Well, we have these stray storms possible once these strong storms begin to push off the coast. Will be up to about 80 if you're below it, down to about 80 if you're above it right now. So that's about what you'll wake up to tomorrow morning. Storms develop 93 degrees. If you're on the water, watch for storms off the coast. Otherwise, south wind 10 to 15 knots, 2-foot seas and a light chop in the bays. Low 90s with a more typical pattern developing Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. That's passing thunderstorms in the morning, moving to the interior and the Gulf Coast in the afternoon.